I had a guy call in not too long ago, and a lady had mice in her board, right? And a snake had went up there to get the mice, and he
Mm.
fried himself. And then, so we warranted the board. Well, he called back 2 months later, and guess what? Had mice on the board again, rat rat turds, mice turds and pee and everything. And he said, "So is this going to be warranty?" I said, "No, nope." I said, "We cannot. If we don't make the lady have skin in the game, she's not going to get rid of the mice. We just keep giving her board, so no, she's on her own." So, there's just so you guys know that when you order the units, you have to make sure you get the units that don't have the field install. I mean, the factory installed mice. If you get the units with
Factory
factory installed
installed
mice,
mice.
it's gonna be messed up every time.
Man, there's a guy out there going, "What is he talking about?" The mice come over to unit. Oh, that's funny. I
Yeah.
had the one I put in. Oh, geez, I think it was the Samsung that I'm talking about. I'm pretty sure. No, it was Quiet Side. So same difference. It was the same company at that time.
Right.
So I put it in, and this thing's like 10, 12 years old now. And I came back because I had sprung a leak, and I had to repair the leak and fix it. And when I opened up, there's a board on the top, and you open it up, it was frogs everywhere. It was like frogs all over
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
It was the weirdest thing. I was like, how is this thing not all, like, these frogs not shocked and dead and his board trashed? A few years later, board went bad. I
Yeah.
don't know if it's frog related or not. If you want to watch more videos just like this one, click on this playlist right here. If you want to see our brand new video, click right here. If you want to find out more about the great sponsors that make this show happen, click up here. And to join our email list where I notify you when we're going live, click right here.